plunge pool out here. It's private. We'll have to check that out tomorrow. Probably get some footage of the kids in it. We'll see. And then up the stairs. Let's see. This way. It's a pretty big room, huh? And then this way. Indoor toilet. Sinks. Good morning, Bali. It's a beautiful day to be waking up in one of our favorite places. So glad to be here. Ooh, breakfast. You guys excited?
Yeah.
So excited.
I got pancakes.
Ooh, oh, yes. This looks so good.
That is the biggest freezer ever.
What'd you say?
There's a statue.
I know, you guys can definitely go in that pool later.
Yes, I must. I must go into
Hi,
every
guys.
pool. Besides
So last night I showed you guys the plunge pool in the dark, but here's the plunge pool in the day. The kids are chomping at the bit to get in there. It's so cool though. It's got this little channel of water around it. You probably can't see it, but isn't that nice? We're definitely here for the rainy season, so as you can expect, we've gotten some rain, but today was actually a beautiful day, so it's actually cooling things off and we don't mind. It's kind of pretty. A beautiful day today. It was actually supposed to be overcast, I think, but we're getting some sun first. Maybe we won't even get the rain clouds, who knows? That's that gorgeous pool I posted yesterday on our feed. We're checking out today. We're sad to see that pool go, but maybe we'll come back someday. So what did you think of our resort?
Really good.
You liked it? What was your favorite thing? Swimming? In the plunge pool? Could you believe how deep it was?
Yeah.
Crazy, right?
It went all the way up to Dad's chin.
I know. I didn't expect that. So what did you think of this resort?
It's also
It was awesome. What was your favorite part?
cool.
The pool? The plunge pool? Was it deeper than you thought it was going to be?
Definitely.
Definitely. What else did you like? Look at this view. So we're just sitting out here on our balcony, taking a little break in the warmth and the sunshine, and then we're going to go pack and we're going to go on to our next destination. But Cicada has been a really nice first stop in Bali, so definitely check it out if you ever get the opportunity.